Honestly, Linktree is the absolute best. It's one of the simplest tools for managing your online presence. Best known for turning a single bio link into a mini landing page, but is it still worth using today? At its core, Linktree gives you one link you can drop on Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere else, and it opens to customizable pages with your important links, whether that's your website, music, shop, or your socials. Setup is quick. You can add unlimited links, reorder them, style the page with themes, backgrounds, and fonts. On the free plan, it stays pretty basic, but the paid tiers unlock analytics, email and SMS sign-up forms, and integrations with tools like Shopify, Patreon, and MailChimp. In testing, the interface was smooth, the analytics made it easy to see which links actually drive clicks. On review sites, creators love the convenience and simplicity. I use it myself, though some point out that the other link in bio tools now offer deeper customization for lower pricing. Overall, Linktree is a staple, and it shines if you want a fast, reliable way to unify your online presence. It may not be the flashiest option anymore, but for most creators and small businesses, it suffices. It's one of the easiest ways to manage all your links in one place. So if your audience is stuck between, bouncing platforms, Linktree is a smart way to keep everything connected and in one place.